Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome to my channel and this is your August last week reading exclusive love and career. Let's see what the cards are revealing for you. Your cards are already out. We're going to begin with your love life. First you've got the Two of Stars and the Eight of Suns. Now some of you are dealing with a Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, okay, in your personal life or professional life. Or you could have these signs in your own birth chart, Sun, Moon, Rising, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn. Doesn't have to be, but these three signs popped out, so I thought I should mention just in case it is for you. I see that this week there is a female around you who's trying to help you in your love life, who is helping you find the right partner, or who's helping you patch up with somebody you are fighting with right now or in no contact with. This week you are going to celebrate your love again. That means there are chances of reconciliation and new relationship starting. Also, if you were already married or in a relationship and if you were not talking to each other or in a fight or tiff with each other, this is a card of beautiful love and harmony and peace being restored this week. So no matter what your situation, relationship or marriage is right now, this is going to be a beautiful week for all of you, where I see a lot of love, a lot of peace and harmony between each other, beautiful relationships forming. And if you're single and not talking to anyone, this applies equally to your friendships and your relationships at home also with your parents and siblings. So peace, harmony, celebration and good luck is by your side. If you want to resolve some relationship, if you want to start a relationship, this is a wonderful week for that. Now let's see what's happening in your career. You have got the Ten of Spades, the Six of Stars, and the Prince card. I do see that in your career, things have been really slow right now, right? This week, suddenly things are going to pick up speed. Things which were slow, things which were stuck will pick up speed and rapid developments will start happening in your career. If you have applied for a job, promotion or exam and the results were not coming out, then this is the week where things will immediately come out, and also with a very short notice you will be asked to join as well. I also see a lot of good news, good messages coming your way. So if you, like I said, you can get job, you can get promotion, you can expect profits or more growth in your business as well. Whether you are a student, whether you have a job or a business. This opportunity I see that is going to put you in a very comfortable position of a prince and princess. Whether you are a male or female, the prince energy means somebody who's very comfortable, material comforts. You can get a house, a car this week. Maybe you're investing in one or you're getting it from your company. Also, do see that you are getting at a you're going to be promoted or put in a very good position. Apart from the position status, you're also getting respect. Just like this person, just like the kings and queens used to get respect, right? So not just material comforts, but also respect is coming your way. So this is going to be a very good card. I also see that you have a very kind energy, which means that despite all the success that you're receiving, it is not getting into your head, because of which people are more attracted to you. And that is why people want to work with you, because they respect you, right? So good kind energies, continue to take care of the people around you and keep on earning the respect, Sagittarius. So this is a very good week, very powerful week for all of you, even in career and in love. I want you to comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy so that it reaches you faster. And if you guys resonated with this reading and like this reading, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get your readings in advance. This was a general reading. So if you would like to ask a very specific question relating to your life, please book a personal reading. I do have other services as well, love readings, rituals and counseling sessions as well. Please check out the description box below. And to make any booking or know the prices, either you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. The email ID is mentioned, or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Please follow and DM me on Instagram handle. That's very important. And you can get your readings even there. If you're looking for exclusive audio video sessions, that is also available with me. So please check out the description box. Email me, DM me to know the prices. Take care of yourself and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.